Hey everyone, in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song Broken Halos by Chris Stapleton. This song was recommended to me by subscriber Greg Brent. Thank you, Greg, for your recommendation. Now, if any of you would like to leave me your song suggestions, just put them in the comment section down below and make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. All right, now let's go ahead and get started with this lesson.
Seen my share of broken halos, folding wings that used to fly. They've all gone wherever they go. Broken halos that used to shine. Broken halos that used to shine. Angels come down from the heavens just to help us on our way. Come and teach us, then to leave us, and they find some other soul to save. I've seen my share of broken halos, folding wings that used to fly. They've all gone wherever they go. Broken halos that used to fly. Broken halos that used to fly. Don't go looking for the reasons. Don't go asking Jesus why. We're not meant to know the answers. They belong to the by and by. They belong to the by and by. I've seen my share of broken halos, folded wings that used to fly. They've all gone wherever they go. Broken halos that used to fly. Broken halos that used to fly.
All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you would like to get the chord chart for this song, just click right here to head on over to the website. All right, I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.